Have you ever wondered how your favorite mobile apps were built? Well, chances are they were built using React Native. React Native is a popular framework for building mobile applications. It was first introduced by Facebook in 2015, and since then, it has gained widespread popularity among developers. So, what exactly is React Native? In simple terms, it's a JavaScript framework that allows developers to build mobile applications for iOS and Android platforms using a single codebase. React Native uses a similar syntax to React, which is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces. This makes it easy for developers who are familiar with React to get started with React Native. One of the key advantages of using React Native is that it allows developers to build high-performance mobile applications that look and feel like native apps. This is achieved by using native components, which are similar to the ones used in traditional mobile app development. With React Native, developers can also take advantage of a wide range of third-party libraries and tools, which can help them build complex mobile applications quickly and efficiently. React Native has a thriving community of developers who contribute to its development, share their knowledge, and offer support to those who are just getting started. So, if you're looking to build a mobile app, React Native is definitely worth considering. With its ease of use, performance, and large community, it's no wonder that it's become one of the most popular frameworks for mobile app development.